just further to my earlier class on the Dinim Mufal'im and the laws of Shevi'it. So everybody interprets that the only Isur De'oraita is Zeri'ah and Zemira. Zeri'ah is the Av, Zemira is the Tolada. And Kesira and Besira. Kesira is the Av, Besira is the Tolada. That's what everybody says. And anything else is Isur De'Rabbanan. But they need to say that because there appears to be a distinction between those melachot and the other melachot, right? Because he says, "Eno loke min Torah ela ala zeri'ah ala zemina." This is Perek Aleph, Halacha Bet, ve'ala kesira ala basir, right? But the fact is, Harambam, he says, for example, in Sefer Mitzvot, Misvat Aseh. Let me see where the Misvat Aseh is. I think it was the Resh Lamed. Here. Let me see if I can find it. Now, well, actually, let me look at Misvat Lo Ta'aseh, because this is really Misvat Lo Ta'aseh. Just listen to the Lashon, Resh Kaf Aleph. Ha'azhara shehuzharnu mil'avod. I'm sorry, Resh Kaf. Yeah. Ha'azhara shehuzharnu mil'avod et ha'aretz b'shana shavi'it. It says mil'avod et ha'aretz. It's true that the pasuk says Sadecha lo tizra, but it doesn't say milizroa et haaretz. It says mil'avod et haaretz. V'chol ha'over alav ze lokeh, right? V'chol mitpa'el Dinim Mufal'im. So when it says chol ha'over alav ze lokeh, if you over on the original isur de'oraita of Sadecha lo tizra, you're lokeh. But the isur is mil'avod et haaretz, and the hachamim, they're the ones who define what la'avod et haaretz is. So it's true, we received the primary mitzvah from Moshe Rabbeinu of zeri'ah. That's avodat haaretz. So, and that there's no possibility for the betin to uproot that. But the betin can expand that and include within the isur de'oraita of avodat haaretz other things. Now, on what the betin expands, there is no malkut de'oraita. The malkut de'oraita is only on what the original law that we learned from Moshe Rabbeinu, which is Zeri'ah. Then, if you listen to Misvah Resh Kaf Aleph, Hazara Shuzharnu, Mil'avod et Ha'ilan, B'shat HaShevi'it. Again, it says Mil'avod et Ha'ilan. V'hu omro v'chad mecha lo tizmor. V'chama over al zeh malkut. Right? So here again, it's the Avodat Ha'ilan. Any Avodat Ha'ilan is Asur. The question is what Avodat Ha'ilan is. So from Moshe Rabbeinu, we learned the law of Zemira. But the Hachamim, they define Avodat Ha'ilan as including more things. Now, and here's a derasha, because whenever you have a din mufla, you need to have a derasha, right? Ulshon sifra, hazera v'hazamir bichlal hayu, they were bichlal Avodat ha'aretz. V'lama yaseu, I'm sorry. Ulshon hasifra hazera ve'azamid bichlal hayu. What kelal were they within? This is lashon. This is the sifra on Perashat Behar. So give me a moment. Let me just get the sifra. I should have it here. So the sifra says, here it is. So the sifra. This is a Midrash Halakha Vayikra. Let's see what specifically it's referring to. Okay, so we have Perashat Behar. Okay, Perashat Behar. Let's see. It says. Let's see. All right, so we're looking at the beginning of Perashat Behar. Beshaveta ha'aretz. Here it is. I'm looking at the Sifra Perasha al Behar. Perasha Aleph. Dalet. Beshaveta ha'aretz. So this is the Din Mufla. The Din Mufla is when it says Beshaveta ha'aretz. What does that mean? יכול מלחפור בורות, ושיחים, ומערות, ומלתקן את המקוואות, Maybe that's what it means, Shavita ha'aretz? That even to dig, like, let's say you need to dig a hole to hide something in, or you need to dig a mikveh for tevilah. Are we going to say that that's included also? Tilmod lomar sadecha lo tizah v'chad mecha lo tizmor. That's why we have sadecha lo tizah v'chad mecha lo tizmor. En li ela lezera ulzamir. Right? So sadecha lo tizah v'chad mecha. So that's what Rambam says here. Or that's the Lashon HaSifra later on. It says, Sadecha lo tizah v'chad mecha lo tizmor, hazera v'hazamir b'chlal hayu, ולמה יסיעו להקיש עליהם? אלא, מה זרע וזמיר מיוחדים שהם עבודה בארץ ובאילן? אף אין לי אלא דבר שהיא עבודה בארץ ובאילן. Because you would think, when it says ושבתה הארץ, maybe anything, even non-agricultural things. Maybe I shouldn't be able to build a ditch. I want to build a ditch, a store, to store my tools in. So, from here, bevadaut, you see that this is a limud. I'm going to read it again. אין לי אלא לזרע ולזמיר, לחריש, לעידור, לניחוש, לכיסוח ולביקוע, מנין תלמוד לומר, שדך לא, וחלמך לא. כל מלאכה שבשדך ושבקמך, right? כל מלאכה. It's מפורש. So everybody says it's derabanan. The other laws are derabanan. They're not derabanan. Meaning, it's midivre sofrim in the sense that the hachamim kava'u that these things are asurim, but it's isur deoraita. Once you define the law deoraita as such, that becomes isur. So all this confusion is just it's because they don't understand the notion of din mufla. Once you understand the notion of din mufla, all the confusion is gone. I'm using High Makbila, which I think is excellent. I really enjoy it a lot. But there's some confusion here as well. You know, it's mitivre sofrim, right? For example, Perek Bet Halacha Aleph. It says in the Hakdama to Perek Bet, it says, בתחילת הפרק הקודם נתבאר כי מדין תורה אסורות רק עבודת קרקע מסוימות, הזריעה והזמירה והכסירה והבסירה. Right? But that's not true. Midin Torah, we see explicitly in Harabam, Avodat Haaretz, and the Sifra, Avodat Haaretz. We learn from the Harish, from Lo Tizra, Lo Tizmor. So from that comes to exclude melachot in the Adama that are not agricultural melachot. But it includes any avodah. That's the derashan, that's the din mufla. It's fantastic. It really is. It's me'ir einaim.